Well, I'm in doing some work in my ward today. I'm on Salters Lane South. Got a fantastic new facility, the Education Village, over the way, and I'm here on the other side of Salters Lane. We're outside the proposed new children's centre, and I'm joined now by Jenny Chapman, Labour's prospective parliamentary candidate here in Darlington. Jenny, it's not a lot to look at the moment.
No, it certainly isn't.
What do you think about the idea of turning this into a children's centre for local families?
Well, I think if I lived next door to this particular site at the moment, I wouldn't be very happy about it, and I think I would want something done straight away. This area doesn't have the benefit of a children's centre right now, so I think that's a very good use for this building. I've had the benefit in bringing my own children up to have a children's centre at McNay Street that I was able to use when it very first opened, and it was a good thing. I could get to see a health visitor, I could get advice, there was a toy library, I could get all the services I needed with a new baby, attending groups, and get a lot of support there. And I think that people who live in this area should have access to that too. And I think it's very important with short start services that they're available to everybody, and not as the Tories propose to make them only available to people on lowest incomes. I think it's something that is essential when you're a new mum. You need those services. It doesn't matter what kind of background you come from, those services should be available for you.
Yeah, because one of the great things about children's centres are they bring services together.
Yes.
So instead of having to run here for education or the start of education, or there for the health visitor, or for other important services for the under fives, brings it all together under one roof.
Yes, and it means that your child gets used to being in a certain place. So when they need their preschool jabs, when they want to use story sacks, all these important Darlington services, they can be accessible somewhere your child feels comfortable.
Yeah.
And I think that you really can't put a value on that, and it's something that I'm very, very proud of.
And it's a facility, as you say, certainly if we're re-elected as a government, that all communities, and not just a few communities, can benefit from.
Yes, that's right. And there should be a Sure Start centre for every neighbourhood. In Darlington we are fortunate, I think we've got 5 now, and I think that there are still some areas like Haughton that haven't benefited from this facility, and I'm very, very pleased that they are soon to be able to.
Right, Jenny, thank you very much.
Thanks.